about a minute, Karunya is going to be ready, and then we'll unveil what our latest, study of Ashish Kacholia's portfolio has indicated. I mean, he's a sharp guy, very sharp guy, very smart, very quick with his analysis, believes in just buying mid-cap stocks, and some of the stocks which he's bought over the course of last 2 or 3 years, they've really been big. GHCL, Eveready, Keytex, couple of chemical names. But she's ready? Okay. Hello, Karunya. What has Ashish Kacholia bought and sold in the last 1 quarter? What is standing out?
Well, I will get on to that, but let me first start with telling the viewers how he started off. And in fact, before starting his own firm, Lucky Securities, he's worked with Prime. He started off his career, in fact, with Prime Securities, then went on to work with Edelweiss. And it's only 2003 onwards when he started focusing on his own portfolio. In fact, interestingly, in 1999, along with Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Neeraj Roy, and Hiren Ved, he formed this media company called the Hangama Digital as well. So let me get on to now his portfolio and his current top 10 holdings. There are about 20 stocks in his portfolio as of now, and like you said, he only focuses on small and mid-cap companies. There are absolutely no large cap or no blue chip stocks in his portfolio, and at present he holds about 500 crores worth of assets across all of his holdings. In fact, he has about more than 1% of stake in 18 out of those 20 holdings. So let's take a look at his top 10 holdings right now. He holds the maximum stake in Lokesh Machines. About 6.3% is what he holds in that particular company. Then there's Vadilal Industries, which is 5.3%, Shelly Engineering 4.8%, Vishnu Chemicals 4.7%, and SP Apparel is 4.5%. Apart from that, there's Royal Orchid Hotels, there's Nosil with 3.9 and 3.1% each, Apollo Hospitals 2.3%, KEI, and Aptech is where he holds 2.3% each. So these are his top 10 holdings as of now. And as far as the recent changes that he made to his portfolio are concerned, he recently entered the most newest kid on the block, which is GTPL. He bought stake in that particular company. Apart from that, he also entered Moltech, he entered Time Techno, and also VIP Industries. Lastly, there is another change which he made to his portfolio is the fact that he exited UFO Movies and also Zen Technologies. So this is what his current top holdings look like.
Okay, Karunya, we'll leave it at that. Interesting takeaway really on Ashish Kacholia's latest buys. And more importantly, the exits as well. So, most investors only talk about what they're buying and not when or what they're getting out of. But that's a little bit of a flavor of what Ashish Kacholia's flavor is like. And very mid-cap specific, very company story specific kind of investments there.
See, the HNI investor is going to make money by not buying HDFC Bank or buying a Bajaj Finance. I mean, these are stocks which are now dominated by institutional investors. The HNI investor is someone who has a deep understanding. He's got his ears close to the ground, understanding of the cycle. They don't mind taking that extra risk, but they want their 15 crore rupees to become 50 crore rupees. And you will not get that in some of the large cap stocks. I mean, Ashish is an old hand and he pretty much understands the market cycles, and he's got a very fine understanding of how to really identify companies and businesses which are at an inflection point. Typically, when HNI investor Aisha is buying something, they are hunting for inflection point either in the company or they're hunting for an inflection point in the industry, whether it's sales side or whether it is from the market share standpoint. And that's where they buy. A lot of these mid-cap stocks, frankly, do not qualify as big enough for institutional investors, so they do not want to risk even to buy them. And that really leaves the entire, so Nifty 50 is dominated by large cap funds, the next 50 is dominated by mid cap funds. Small cap funds normally find a presence in and around BSE 500, but there are 6,000 listed stocks. And these guys are market cap agnostic. I mean, if they're convinced, they'll buy it from the open market. It doesn't matter to them.
But having said that, as of now, there are no blue chips in Ashish Kacholia's portfolio. It's all a bunch of mid as well as the small caps.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.